Hello all, welcome back again. Now I am going to explain to you the compositions in 3D, three-dimensional composition. Composition in 3D. I hope you have seen the composition 2D. It is similar. As an example, let me talk about myself. I am a man. If somebody say from outside when they look at me, and then they say the man is having the hat. Okay. Then somebody will ask me, hat? So many people are wearing in the group. Then he says he has the jacket and the hat. Then he has the jacket and the hat and the spectacle. There are some, he has got big tummy, he has got broad shoulders, small legs, whatever. They describe me. But when my father say, he will not say a man, my father says my son. Whatever I am, just he will put one word, my son. When my friend, they say, he is my friend. He knows my name, so he say my friend, Mr. Jawahar. My student will say, he is my teacher. Then they ask you, you have so many teachers. Then they say, he is my teacher Jawahar. He teaches ceramics, sculpture, painting, whatsoever. The other artist in the gallery, when they meet, they say, he is artist Jawahar. So who am I? Like that, in art, compositions has got everything in everywhere. We need to identify it. Before you see 2D art, it's in the two dimensional, means 180 degree view, but 3D is 360 degree. Now, what is the major point come here in the 3D is volume. You know volume? See the music we use, rhythm, pattern, the repetitions, volume. Volume means increased sound, but in 3D composition, volumes makes the area. What is the volume of the area? What is the cubic meter volume? So this is if you understand this, you can do the 3D. You can understand 3D. Now let us give us some example of my artworks, my student artworks. I am going to explain which is good composition, which is bad compositions. There is nothing called bad compositions. If you have like this, it will be better looking. That's all we can say. Because understanding compositions, each and every person have to see so many artists to visit, look the videos, and then cut conclusions. So I am going to give my perceptions to you. So you take from my points, take another artist, other artist, and you have to mix up and come up, oh, this is composition. This is how all the experienced artists are talking to you, telling to you, understanding. There is no teacher can explain single word, this is composition. I can keep saying sentences. But one has to experience means you need to deal with it, you need to work with it, you need to observe every time. Okay? The commonly in 3D compositions, arrangements, as a 2D, as I say, arrangement, space, rhythm in it. Is there rhythm in it? Is there patterns are there? Is there the space, negative, positive, in and out? All the three views for the 3D, three dimensions, all the three views, front side, back side, side, on the aerial view, negative, positive. Right. I'm going to show you some examples here. Let us go with the composition little weak in this sculpture. This is one of my student work. Maybe I don't know her name. Maybe she will see later. I am not talking about the entire artwork is bad artwork. I am just identifying the composition would have more better to see. Now you see, this is front view, what you are looking. But similarly, when I turn back side, you see the same. And when I see the other view, now see this view. This view is, one is outside, one is coming here, one is coming outside. This is not balancing here. So some shape, some model, if it is here, and that will be a good composition. This is missing here. The space is not utilized. The volume is not utilized because the scope of the area is base is here. So this is the widest size. There is a scope to do it. So you need to add. If you are working with any kind of thematic, any concept related works, we can go ahead. But when it's going to be a creative concept, you need to have to check the balance. Now you see this balance is okay, not okay. I'm talking about the balance here. The side view is not good, front view is good, and similarly this side view also is not good. Now I am going to show, is there rhythm in it? Is there rhythm in it? Yeah, there is a kind of rhythm. It's moving. From this side it's moving. Kind of patterns are coming, both the side, rhythm, movement, the line. Now I am going to show you the other work. This is a little smaller sculpture. This is my artwork. This is basically a peacock. Concept of peacock. I feel this is like a two wings, and this one has got a nose and the head together, neck together. The beautiful of the peacock is neck is, but I neck and the body I have connected here with a peak, so it looks like abstract. To make a design of the peacock, I make one design here top. This is gypsum, full of gypsum. So I used this base. I used the composition within the base. All the views I have worked on. And now, on another student work, this student has done a beautiful composition in all of it. Just have a look at this view, and then see the next view. The movement is here. Then you can see the other view. There is a rhythm is moving on, negative positive movement is here. The volume is connected everywhere. Everywhere the same rectangle cuboid is coming up. Yeah. Now let us go for a little more in clay. This is terracotta, student work. Different shapes composition. The movement arrangement in and front and back, and she is applied textures on it. See, this is ceramic, clay, terracotta. There are textures on it, design on it. There is hollow inside. So she made the holes and made the hollow. And this is another one of the good small sculpture. But this is very good to see. Compositions. Now, I have one more artwork to show to you. See this work. This is a metal sculpture. Not only the metal, it's called a mixed medium, metal pipe, copper pipe, fiber, clay, and then copper wire. This is called little exaggeration. I am just pulling the hand bigger, leg bigger. This is an imagination. I am bringing my concept to this. Leg is big, dancing figure. Yeah, you see the figure? Metal wire, you see? I spread like a fingers, I try to spread the wires here. And then basically this is transparent. This is actually transparent. If the light passes, you can see the light passes here. Okay, anyway, you cannot see much clear. Okay, let us continue. See this composition. One view, every view there is a hand movement. The leg is going movement, you see? You see that? The composition. This is 3D composition. So what do we need to see in the 3D composition? The volume. Remember the volume. The given area. What is given area to you? In that area, how you utilize with your concept, and then the theme, we need to fill it up. Remove, add, arrange, front, back, left, right, up, down, all the area, all the side rotation, you need to balance it. I hope you understand. This is composition 3D. The next video we will meet with the new topics. Give your comments. Do you want to know anything special? Type it in the comment box. I hope we will make a new video for you explaining it very simply. Please see all the artist videos to get your knowledge better and better. Soon you will be an artist.